So today we are studying redox reactions. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction both occur simultaneously are called redox reaction. Most of the chemical reactions are redox because if one element is there to lose electrons and the other one will gain electrons, lose electrons. Okay, there are some reactions here. Here O is getting reduced and acting as oxidizing agent, and carbon is getting oxidized and acting as reducing agent. All the elements are given which are acting as oxidizing agents or which are acting as reducing agents. You can look at these examples. Okay. Okay. So today we see how to balance redox reactions. So when reaction occurs in acidic medium, here an example, we write each oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction in two reactions. Okay, then we balance the oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Okay, uh, for balancing oxygen atom we add H2O on the other side where oxygen are not present. Okay, like you can see oxygen are present here, so we will add H2O on that side where oxygen are not present. Okay, H2. Okay, and here you can see in this half of the reaction oxygen are balanced 4 on left side and 4 on right side. How to balance hydrogen atoms? By the addition of H positive ions. Okay, so for each you can say 14 hydrogen, you can say for each water molecule we will add 2 hydrogen ions. Okay, or you can say for each hydrogen atom we will add 1 H positive ion. So there are 14 hydrogen atoms, we will add 14 H positive ions on the other side of the equation to balance that side. Now balance the charge. Okay, how to balance charges? By the addition of electrons. You can see here in this side, here it is plus 3 2 times plus 6, so total charge is plus 6. So here is 14 is 14 positive 14 and minus 2. We will add plus 6 on this side to balance the charges on both sides. So on the left side it is also plus 6 now. Okay, left side and right side is balanced. In the second half equation we will add 2 electrons on the right side to balance the charges, because it is negative 2 on the left side of the equation, and we will add plus 2 electrons on the right side to balance the equation. Okay, so here we multiply equation by the constant to get the number of electrons same on both sides. Okay, so we multiply equation number 2, second equation by 3 to get 6 electrons on this side. Okay, so this 6 electrons on this side and this 6 electrons on this side will cancel out, and we will get our final equation, which is totally balanced. Ions are balanced, atoms are balanced. Okay, in alkaline medium or basic medium, if we haven't told uh, about the medium, we will consider it as alkaline medium. Okay, consider the reaction here. Okay, we convert these reaction into oxidation half reaction and reduction half reactions, and balance the oxygen atoms like we did previous by number of hydrogen, number of water molecules. Okay, okay, and oxygen, you can see here oxygen are balanced. So now we will balance the H atoms. Okay, by adding H2O to having side deficiency and OH to having deficiency of hydrogen atoms. Okay, OH will be added where hydrogens are not present. Okay, so we will add OH negative ions on left side of the equation. Okay, or we can write like this, like 1H2 here and 5H2 here. So we minus 1 hydrogen on both sides to this equation will be written like this. Okay, and for the reduction half fraction, it will be written like this. Okay, okay. Now you have to balance the charges. electrons will be balanced like by like charges are balanced by adding electrons. Okay, so in the oxidation half reaction we will add 3 electrons on the right side, because on the left side charge is -5 and on the right side it is -2, so adding 3 electrons to the right side of the equation will balance the charges. Okay, and in reduction half reaction on the left side the charge is -3 -1. Okay, and here it is -6 and -1 -7, so we will add 6 electrons on the left side of the equation to balance the equation. So we multiply first equation by 2 to have the same number of electrons on different sides of the equation. So these 6 electrons will cancel out this by this, and we will get our final equation in which atoms and charges are balanced. Okay, so some examples here. Okay, try to solve these questions by yourself. The answer is given. Okay, if you have any confusion related to the questions, let me know. I will help you out. Okay, some other questions here. Okay, these are like some sample questions related to IMAT exam. Okay, solutions is also given here. Okay, you can pause the video and solve this. Okay, right. What is this proportion reaction in which this one element is oxidized as well as reduced? It is called disproportionation reaction, because the single element is oxidized and as well as reduced. So this is disproportionation reaction. Okay, some examples here. Okay, you can pause the video and take a look on these questions. Okay, answers are given here. Okay, all right, these are the questions. You can take a look on this and try to solve them. Okay, and if you don't get any of these questions, let me know. Good luck. This is it for the lecture. See the previous lecture of oxidation reduction concepts. I told you around like around like 6 to 7 concepts related to oxidation, how to find which element is oxidized or which is reduced. So good luck, have a nice day, and good luck for the exam.